welcome. This is an unboxing video of the Cooler Master V850 Gold version 2, guys. Version 2. So we're gonna like unbox this for you guys to see. Let me grab a key for unboxing the video. Alright, okay, got it. So let's view the inside of the alright, okay, got it. Right, let's unbox this together, guys. Hopefully you have a great view of this. So we got the normal stuff, the manual and everything, blah blah blah, so on. So we kind of like put this away, and this is like the cable boxes. And we got like a bunch of cables inside, so all is there. We also got this cable for the cable management, so no problem about that. And I think we got a lot of inside. So today I will be upgrading my power supply. Currently I'm using a MWE750 power supply. Now I'll be using this one. This is 850 V2. So this is the PCIe, the motherboard. Alright, okay, nice. SATA and hard drive. Alright, that's what we want to see, guys. That's what we want to see. So I'm gonna keep this here. Thank you for coming by, guys, for the unboxing video. Anyone, if you want to see the cable, I think I can show you guys the cable. Got it here. We got this. This is to power the, what do you call it, alright, we got a power supply here. We got more. This is, I think this is his I don't remember that one. So this PCIe and a lot more. I don't know what this is for, but I'm sure it's for like the, what do you call it, power something. Right, this is for the motherboard. This one is motherboard also. So this also for the motherboard. This is like kind of like super big, right? So this is for PCIe. So PCIe basically for, what do you call it, your, alright, this, alright, I think that's all we got. Like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So the power supply. Thank you so much for guys for watching. See you guys in a bit. Bye.